Here's how to add a payment method on TikTok Ads Manager, and this will be a step-by-step guide. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1, go to ads.tiktok.com and then log into your business or creator account. Step 2, on your dashboard, click on your profile icon and go to billing. Step 3, under the payment section, click add payment method, and then you will see options like credit or debit card, PayPal or manual payment. Step 4, select your preferred method. For example, if you're choosing card, enter your card details and billing address. Step 5, click the submit button and then wait for TikTok to confirm the method. Once accepted, you will see the method listed under your billing profile. Step 6, go back to your campaign and launch it. And then TikTok will auto change your selected payment method based on your billing threshold. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.